Good morning student. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics Laplace Transform. We taught in previous video inverse Laplace transform. What is the inverse Laplace transform and most important property of inverse Laplace transform. In this series, lecture number 6, inverse Laplace transform with the help of derivative. How to find the inverse Laplace transform with the help of derivatives. I can say that why are you use the derivative method. Let see start and understand why are you need of this method. We find the inverse Laplace transform. You can see Laplace inverse Laplace of Fs equal to minus 1 by t inverse Laplace inverse of d over ds and Fs. With the help of derivative, we find the inverse Laplace transform of this. We first find differentiate of this function. We first differentiate of function with respect to s. After then, taking the inverse Laplace transform. Because we are not known all trigonometric function, logarithmic functions, inverse Laplace transform formula. So we use derivative method. We find the inverse of Laplace transform. Let's start of this function. Question number first. Find the Laplace inverse of this. Laplace inverse of log s plus 1 upon s minus 1. I ask you, if you know the formula of Laplace inverse of log s plus 1 upon s minus 1? Not. So, this function, find the inverse Laplace transform with the help of derivative. First this function differentiate with respect to s, then after taking the inverse Laplace transform by the formula of this. We know that Laplace inverse of Fs 1 by t Laplace inverse of d over ds and Fs. You can see that the Laplace inverse of Fs minus 1 upon t and inverse of differentiating, after differentiating of this function, Fs given function of this. By this formula, Laplace inverse of log s plus 1 upon s minus 1 equal to minus 1 by t Laplace inverse of d over ds function of this log s plus 1 upon s minus 1. We can write this question in the form of this log inverse d over ds log by the property of log m upon n log s plus 1 minus log s minus of 1 minus 1 upon t Laplace inverse of differentiate of this function with respect to s 1 upon s plus 1 minus 1 upon s minus of 1. Now taking the inverse Laplace transform of this minus 1 by t L inverse 1 upon s plus 1 minus L inverse 1 upon s minus 1 minus 1 by t L inverse 1 upon s plus 1. You know the formula of this function, e to the power minus t minus s minus 1 e to the power t minus in 1 by t e to the power t minus e to the power minus t. This is the answer of this question. Very simple, easy to way. Find the inverse Laplace transform of this function with the help of derivative. No any other method. We find the inverse function in Laplace inverse of this function. No any method. So we use the derivative method. We first differentiate of this function with respect to s, and after then taking the inverse Laplace transform. Only formula of this minus 1 upon t of this. You can understand easily most important questions for this series. Please have a look. Question number second. Obtain the inverse Laplace transform of this. L inverse cot inverse s plus 3 upon 2. I am again asking you. You know the formula of this question? Get the inverse Laplace transform? No. We are known on the formula of sine, cos, only sine or cos, hyperbolic and normal sine or cos functions. We are not known the formula of cot, sec, cosec and tan. So solve this question by the help of derivative method. Now again, Laplace inverse of cot inverse s plus 3 upon 2 minus 1 by t d over ds. Laplace inverse of cot inverse s plus 3 by 2. Minus 1 by t. Laplace inverse of differentiate of this function cot inverse x 1 upon 1 plus s plus 3 upon 2 whole square. Again differentiating of this and 1 by 2 by the formula of this d over ds cot inverse x equal to minus 1 by 2, sorry, minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. It means minus sign. Now 1 by t, value of this Laplace inverse of, solve this question, minus and minus, that is plus, and 2, 1 by 2, LCM of this 4 upon 4 plus s plus 3 to the whole square. 2 to the 4, 2 upon t, L inverse of 1 upon s plus 3 to the whole square plus 4, it means 2 square. Inverse of this function, we know the first shifting property. Write down here. Laplace inverse of fs equal to ft. Then Laplace inverse of fs plus a equal to e to the power s plus 3 e to the power minus at on Laplace inverse of fs. By the property of inverse Laplace transform I taught in previous video. Then 2 upon t e to the power minus 3t, then Laplace inverse 1 upon s square plus 2 square. This is the Laplace inverse of sine 1 upon a sine 80. 2 upon t e to the power minus 3t 1 by 2 sine of 2t. Cancel out of this, then value of this e to the power minus 3t or sine of 2t divided by of t. This is the answer of this question. Very simple question by the help of derivative. No any other method we use in this questions. So we use most important method of solve these type of questions. We get the inverse Laplace transform. Complete this question. All students are understand easily. So please make a note.